Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Dr. Sajjad's Academy. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and do not forget to press bell icon to get the notifications on my latest videos. Thank you. My dear friends, today I am going to continue with the same concept of consignment accounts, and we are going to create different accounts from the given information. Here we have a problem. It reads out 1000 bicycles were consigned by Premier Limited Delhi to Superior Bros Kanpur at rupees 150 each. Premier company paid freight rupees 10,000 and insurance in transit rupees 1,500. During transit, 100 bicycles were totally damaged by fire. So Superior Bros takes delivery of the remaining bicycles and paid rupees 1,530 rupees for octroi. Here Superior Bros sent a bank draft to Premier Company for rupees 50,000 as advance payment and later sent an account sales showing that 800 bicycles were sold at rupees 200. Fine. Then expenses incurred by Superior Bros on godown rent and advertisement etc. amounted to rupees 2000. Then next is Superior Bros is entitled to a commission of 5%. Fine. So what we have to do, we have to prepare consignment account, abnormal loss count and Superior Bros account in the books of Premier Bicycle Company Delhi, assuming that a claim from insurance company was settled for rupees 14,000. So first let us create the consignment account. In the consignment account, what we are going to write down first, the total value of goods which are sent on consignment. If we see here, 1000 bicycles were consigned and the price of each bicycle is 150. So the total value of consignment is 150 into 1000 is 1,50,000. So we are going to write down same in the consignment account, that is 2 goods sent on consignment, and hence the amount is how much? 1,50,000. And then if we see, Premier Company has paid freight 10,000 rupees and insurance how much? 1,500 rupees. The total amount that Premier Company has paid is how much? 11,500. So we are going to make a record of the same thing. So we are going to write to bank, any expenses how much is 10,000 and 1,500 and the total amount is 11,500. Alright. Then if we see here, Superior Bros took delivery of remaining bicycles and paid 1,530 rupees for octroi, and with that he is paying also godown rent and advertisement of how much? 2,000 rupees. Fine. And then commission is on what? Commission is on the total sales which were made by Superior Bros, right? If we see octroi is how much here? Octroi is 1,530. Then rent and advertisement is how much? It is 2,000. Then we have to calculate commission. If we go to the problem and see, Superior Bros, what he does, he sells 800 bicycles and price of each bicycle was 220 rupees. So if is the total sales of this is how much? It is 800 into 220. It is how much? It is 1,76,000. On this he is going to get commission at what rate? At 5%. Now if we multiply 1,76,000 into 5%, we are going to get 8,800 rupees. That is what we are going to write down in commission. So this total amount is 8,800. Fine. So these are all the expenses side. Now we are going to calculate income side. So here we have by superior bros, yani you can write down here sales. So how much sales he is doing? He is selling 800 units or 800 bicycles at 220, and hence the total sales is how much? It is 1 lakh and 76,000. 1 lakh and 76,000. Alright. Now we have to find out the value of unsold bicycles, or the stock that we have, the value of stock we have to find out. Now if we see, Superior Bros is receiving how many cycles? Superior Bros has sold 800 bicycles, but how many bicycles were sent? 1000 were sent, but out of 1000, 100 were lost due to fire. Now if we see, out of 1800 is sold, so how many are left? 200 bicycles. Out of 200 bicycles, how many bicycles are lost due to fire? It is 100. So what is the total value of unsold bicycles like with the consignee? It is 100. So we have to find out the value of these 100 bicycles. So we are going to write down number of bicycles sent to Superior Bros. It is total how much? 1000. But how many he is selling? He has sold 800 bicycles he has sold out of 1000. So we are going to deduct that, right? So 800 bicycles are sold, right? So the remaining are how much? 200. Out of 200, how many bicycles were lost due to fire? 100 bicycles, which is given in the problem. So we are going to less that also. So number of bicycles lost due to fire is how much? 100. So what is the total value of unsold stock which is with the consignee? Is then how much? 100, right? So the total unsold bicycles which are lying with the consignee is how much? 100. Now we have to find out the value of this 100 bicycles, right? Now the next is calculation of consignment stock that we are going to find out. Fine. So cost of now first we are going to calculate cost of 100 bicycles which are unsold, and the price of each is 150. So the total value is 100 into 150. We are going to get how much? 15,000. Now we are going to add the proportionate expenses which are incurred by the consignor. Now if we see the total expenses which are incurred by the consignor is how much? It is 11,500. How much? 11,500. As he has paid freight 10,000 rupees and insurance which was 1,500, and the total expenses which were incurred by the consignor is 11,500. But he is paying this 11,500 for 1,000 bicycles. Now we have to find out the proportionate expense for 100 unsold bicycles, right? We are going to add proportionate expenses incurred by the consignor. Now he is spending how much? He is spending 11,500 on how many bicycles? 1,000 bicycles. So we have to find out on how many? We have to find out on 100 bicycles. So we are going to multiply it by 100. Fine. If we do the mathematical calculation here, we are going to get how much? 1,150. 1,150, right? Now there are some non-recurring expenses also which are incurred by consignee, right? If we see in the problem, the consignee has paid 1,530 rupees as octroi charges, right? But consignee is here spending this octroi on 900 only, because he is taking delivery of only 900 bicycles, because 100 bicycles were lost during transit only. So he is taking delivery of 900, and on 900 he is paying 1,530 rupees. We have to find out non-recurring expense, the proportionate of 1,530 on 100 bicycles. So we are going to write it 1,530 which he is spending on 900 bicycles, because he is taking delivery of only 900 bicycles, and we have to find out it on 100 bicycles, and the total amount here is how much? 170 rupees. 170 rupees. So if we calculate it, the total amount will be how much? The total amount here is, it is 16,300 16,320. 16,320 is the total amount here, right? So the same amount we are going to write down by consignment stock account. Same amount we are going to take there. Fine. We are going to write down. We are going to write down here by consignment stock account, and the amount is how much? The amount we have calculated in the working note. It is 16,320. This is the amount. Next we have to calculate abnormal loss. Now cost of 100 bicycles lost in fire. 100 bicycles into 150, because 150 is the price of each bicycle. If we multiply 100 into 150, it is how much? It will come to 15,000. That is 15,000. It is how much? Proportionate expenses incurred by the consignor. If we calculate this, it is 11,500 on 1,000 bicycles into 100. That is how much? 1,150. So the total, if we add these two, we are going to get 16,150. So this is the total value of abnormal loss. So the same figure we are going to take in the consignment account. It is by accident loss count 16,150. Now if we add here, the income side is 1,76,000, 16,320, 16,150. If we see the total amount, it adds to 2,08,470, right? So same amount should be here, 2,08,470. Fine. So the difference here is how much? We are going to deduct all these elements, or we are going to add all these elements and deduct from this. So this will be our 2 profit and loss account. How much it is? It is 34,640. 34,640, right? Now we are going to prepare abnormal loss account. Now if we see in the abnormal loss count, we are going to first make the entry of the total value of abnormal loss. If we see that we have calculated is 16,150. So this will be here mentioned to consignment. How much it is? 16,150, right? Now along with this, if we see the Premier Bicycles Company Delhi, assuming that a claim from insurance company was settled for rupees 1, this is 14,000. So 14,000 claim they have made from the insurance company. So we are going to write down what here? By insurance company, how much it is? 14,000, right? And the difference is here by what we are going to write down here, by profit and loss account. In bracket we can write down abnormal loss. How much is that? This is the difference here. It is 2,150, right? Now we are going to create the last account, which is here is Superior Bros account. So here we are going to make the first record here, that is to consignment. How much is that? 1,76,000. 1,76,000, right? 1,76,000. Now we have here by consignment account 12,330. This value, where did we get this value? This 12,330. This is here 1530 plus 2000 plus 8,800. Then he has received 50,000 advance. We are going to write down by bank or advance. By bank, and in bracket you can write down advances. Right, how much he is receiving? He is receiving an advance of 50,000. Right, this 50,000 he is paying to the Primer Company Limited. This is the bank draft which Superior Bureaus has sent. So we have to tally the account 1,76,000 and 1,76,000, and the difference here is of how much? It is about 1,13,670. So we are going to write down as by balance carried down. So the amount here is 1,13,670. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.